Welcome to the next video. So this video we will see how do we take some data from the user and store it into an array. Okay. So basically, last classes we have seen what is an array, how do we declare an array, what are different ways in which we can read elements from an array and manipulate those elements, right? So let's see. Today we will create an array made of doubles. So double array 1 of, let's say, 10 elements. Okay, so we'll ask user for the numbers. Please enter the numbers to be stored in an array. Then we have to start a loop. So if you want to start a loop, let's say int I equal to 0, I'll initialize I equal to 0, create an integer. So I'll use a for loop or maybe a while loop, while I less than 10. Right. I plus plus. So this will be looping from 0 to 10, excluding 10. So that is very important. This loop will be running from 0 to 9. I less than 10, right? Scanf. So what we are taking is double. So it is percentage %lf. And whatever value we are getting, we have to store into array 1. Okay, so here you have to observe the value of I is from 0 to 9. Every time it will the loop runs to ask for an input, and that input will be stored as the ith element. So ith element means element with the index I. So first it will be index 0, then 1, 2, 3 up to 9, 10. So here we will get. So let's say now we want to display. So this we have already seen. We will display the 7th number. The 7th number in the array is, let's say, percentage %lf. Array 1 of, so 7th element should have index 6 because indexes start from 0, right? 0 is the first element, 1 will be second element, 2 will be third element, so on, 6 will be 7th element, right? So let's see. Oh, sorry, it should be LF. So it should be LF. So 10, 20, 12, 14, 15, 16, 15. I'm giving different numbers. So 7th number is 16. So it's very difficult to read and write this. So what we will do is we will now reduce the numbers to 5. 5 numbers. I'm changing the numbers to 5. And let's say instead of printing the 7th or 6th number, we will print the double of all the entered numbers. Double means 2 times, right? So again we will write let's say we will write a for loop. So if you have to start from 0 till I is less than 5, we can also say I is less than or equal to 4. So this is also same. So what you do is I plus plus, right? Okay. Printf percentage %lf because float. What you have to do is now 2 times. 2 times array of I, right? So it is a float, so it is better to restrict the decimal places to 2. So dot to LF will do that, right? So now let's run. Okay. So what is the error? It is telling oh, it is array1. Sorry, array1. So let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the double of each number is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, so we're getting the output here. These are input 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is input, and double of all those numbers are given as output. And you remember here there are 2 decimal places. That is because of this dot 2, right? So I hope you have now understood how can you get numbers from the user and store it in an array, right? So let's say we want to modify an element of an array. Let's say user has given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as input. I want to change the number, the last number to, let's say, 10. Whatever be the case. So what can I do? I can just do this. Array of what is the last number? Index of last number will be 4, right? Equal to 10.0. So what happens here is after user gives the input, the last element will be changed to 10. Okay, so we'll see this. Okay, array1, again same mistake. So let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So first is 2, 4, 6, 8. So this is 10. Even though 20, even though we have given 5 as input, the 2 times 5 should be 10. But what happened in this line? Last element 5 has changed to 10, right? 10, and double of 10 is given here as output. Okay. So this is the way you can take values from the user and save it to array. You can also modify different elements of array using the corresponding index. So this is the fourth index, row element with index 4. That means the 5th element, right? Always remember, this is very important to remember that all the arrays, the indexes start from 0 and up to n minus 1, where n is the number of elements. Okay, so we'll see in the next video.